Hallo zusammen zum nächsten Teil von Let's Play GTA 5. Letztes Mal haben wir hier die Chinesen gelernt kennen, die schon wieder zum letzten Mal müssen verabschieden. Oh, geht's schon los, hä?
Get back here! You're not even hidden! Have you got it?
I've been trying, Trevor. I've been trying.
Come on over here, alright? I ain't gonna hit you.
I've been trying.
I know.
I thought you said you wasn't gonna hit me.
I thought you said you were gonna find fucking Michael Townley.
There's two Michael Townleys living in LS. One is 83 and the other one is at kindergarten. I asked the teacher to put him on the phone just to be safe, but she threatened to call the cops. I ain't no molester, Trevor.
Shut up before I molest you, alright? Now is there anything else?
I looked through the phone directory. I did find a Michael Sechzehnte, about the right age, married with 2 kids.
What's his wife's name?
Amanda?
Amanda?
Yeah.
You're a genius, you moron. Come on, come here.
Woo!
Don't you ever not tell me things I want to know!
Sorry, Trevor.
Run, you little bastard! Get out here! We're going to Los Santos!
Are we?
Not you, me and Wade.
What about me?
You're CEO of Trevor Phillips Enterprises. Find us some business so that we can make some money. And tidy my shit up. Let's go, Wade, come on. I'm driving. You can jerk me off if I get bored. I'm joking. You can suck me off.
Are we gonna stop for ice cream? so we're headed to Los Santos then?
Soon. I gotta make a stop.
Oh, what's the stop?
Wo ist jetzt unser Fahrer her? Ah, da hier. Ah, jetzt wissen wir noch.
We taking this one?
Get in! Where are your people at in Los Santos?
It's just my cousin there, Floyd. He's bunked in with his girlfriend someplace called Vespucci Beach. So, what's the stop?
Family's important, Wade. Not as important as the man that's employed you, mentored you, and fed you amphetamines this last year, but it's important. We gotta pay this cousin a visit.
I ain't seen him in a while, Trevor.
All the more reason to drop by.
Okay, that might be nice, but where are we stopping on the way? Cause, you know, I'm getting kind of wet over here.
For fuck's sakes! Another chapter of the lost was descended on this fine town. Looking to mourn, maybe revenge their dead. I was thinking me and you could pay our respects. The Lost Camp. Ooh, I got some fond memories of this place.
Hoppala. Irgendwie habe ich gerne ein schlechtes Wetter in diesem Spiel, ich weiß auch nicht.
I got you them bombs and that pistol with the thing that makes it quiet on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts. For these pricks.
So.
There you go.
Gut, eine ist getroffen. Es sind übrigens Haftbomben, die wir müssen verteilen. Es wäre noch ideal, wenn uns die Gegner nicht sehen dabei. Ja.
Let's take a ride. See what kind of shape they left this place in.
I'm hitting the blacktop, brothers. So long.
So, nächste Hütte. Jetzt hätte ich echt die Huren Gegner nicht gesehen. Ah, das war falsch da hier durch. Oder geht jetzt fort. Nein, das ist falsch. Fast eins nicht gehört. Dann gehen wir halt hier innen durch. Im Fall, weil sie es nicht lassen, die blöden Fotos da, bleiben verdammt mich sicher. Ah, dort hat es auch. Ich schaue gerade auf, mit Schalpen da. Gehört recht das? Nein. So. Hat mich nicht gesehen, gut. Das hat mich niemand gesehen. Also, letzte Bombe. Und jetzt sollte ich... Jetzt muss ich säckeln. Säckeln. Zack. Oh, das bin ich, das ist ja so. Ja, geben wir es zum Rest noch schnell, komm. Eine. So. Last time sie endgültige Geschichte. Valley, wait.
Time to hit the road, Wadey. Los Santos, here we come.
You do.
I heard lots of banging and screaming, but then not the nice kind.
Yeah, it went good, Wade. We don't have to think about the loss no more. Let's go find my old buddy.
This Michael Townley guy must have pissed you off real bad for you to want to find him so much.
He didn't piss me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they pissed me off.
But if he's dead, who's this?
Now you're starting to grasp the pertinent questions. Who is this guy using my dead friend's tired-ass movie quotes? With my dead friend's alias? And my dead friend's family? And a house that must have been paid for with my dead friend's stashed millions?
Wow, that's a real mindfuck.
I'll show you a fucking mindfuck. I'm gonna stick my boy in your eye. It's gonna come out of your ear, huh?
I didn't mean anything by that, P. Trevor?
Move up your eye hole, fucker! Cause I'm gonna fuck your tiny mind, huh? I'm about ready to turn you into roadkill!
Please, don't turn me into anything. I just want to be Wade. Are we nearly there yet?
No, Wade.
Are we nearly there?
You keep this up, you're not gonna get there at all.
Can you tell me a story?
No, Wade.
Let's play a game then. You know animal, mineral, or vegetable? I'll go first. I'm nanotechnology.
You're what?
Trevor! Damn it! I gave it away. I wasn't supposed to say what I am. I'll start again. Animal, vegetable, or mineral?
Hey, how about this? I'll tell you a story if you promise never to speak again.
I like stories.
Of course you do. This story's about a boy called Trisha.
Is Trisha a boy's name?
It doesn't matter.
Sounds weird.
He was weird. He was the smartest, toughest, weirdest kid in Canada. Well, in the Canadian border region of America. That's it. That giant sprawl. Los Santos.
So gross ist es jetzt auch wieder nicht. Ah, sieht schön aus von hier.
So, this is Los Santos.
I guess it is.
Ah, davor halt im
I always
Regen dann.
wanted to come here.
But you got stuck in the desert.
It's still San Andreas.
Best part of the state.
Das ist eigentlich etwas, was man für 6 wünscht. Echt so eine riesige Saumare von Meth. So richtig, richtig gross. Schau dir auch das an.
So, Michael, this is where dead men come back to life. It's been nearly 10 years. Oh, but you'll keep for another day or so, huh, old friend? You motherfucking fuck! I grieved for you! You weren't even fucking dead. You were my best friend. Well, guess who's coming to shit on your doorstep, you fuck!
I thought we were going to my cousin.
Los Santos,
Steig
city
doch
of
ein.
shitheads. Where else would you?
Lloyd's over in Vespucci Beach. Will you tell me the story about that boy, Trisha?
Ah, yeah. Where were we? Right. So, this kid, he could fly planes. So, he signed up for the Air Force to fly all day long and bomb villages and maybe, just maybe, drop the nuke. And it was all going well until one day, just before he got his wings, an evil witch in charge of psychological evaluations told him he was unstable and grounded him for life.
That's terrible.
It was! Sent him into a deep pit of doubt, despair. And just then, just as he hit rock bottom, he met a fat, silver-tongued troll under a bridge.
That's cool. What was the troll's name?
Mike, Michelle.
A lady troll?
Yeah, he had tits like one. No, he was a boy.
Michelle is a funny name for a boy.
Well, this was a funny boy. He sat under his bridge, robbing anyone who passed him by. Sometimes he'd go into town and rob the shops and inns and such. And he persuaded our hero that maybe he should rob people too. And you know what? Little Trisha did rob people, and little Trisha was good at it.
And they lived happily ever after?
For a while, until the troll met another troll in a strip club, and they fell in lust, and he bought her a pair of fake troll tits, even bigger than his real troll tits, so she could make more money stripping. Maybe a little on the side without... Ow! Maybe a little on the side without call work, but you didn't hear that from me. Wow. And then she pushed out a pair of little trolls, and the big bad troll under the bridge went soft.
Oh, we're near Floydcap. I've seen it on iPhone maps. I'll give you directions. It's straight here. Now keep going. I turn right here.
Oh, ist weg.
Keep it straight now. This is the place. I think it is, at least.
Eine Schrott.
Cousin Floyd! It's up here, Trevor. Floyd, it's me, Wade.
Who?
Me, Wade, your cousin.
Who?
Your cousin! Fuck! He's come to visit you, you rude fuck. Now get up off the floor and fix me a fucking drink.
Oh, you wait. I heard you was off smoking meth somewhere.
No, not somewhere. Here. He's gonna smoke meth here. Fucking lighter.
You can't smoke here.
Okay.
This is my girlfriend's place. She's at a business conference. You can't smoke here and you can't stay here.
How's it going, cousin? It's been a while.
Yeah, I ain't seen you since you was called in Evelyn's bed.
That was never proved.
You gotta go, both of you. My girlfriend, she'd kill me if she knew I had guests.
Well, it's not much of a girlfriend if you don't like your family. Now, would you get me a fucking drink? I'm not gonna ask you again.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wait, I ain't got no booze.
Then you go out and fucking get me something. You go too.
All right, okay.
Fuck.
Verrex. Jetzt wollen wir anscheinend kurzzeitig übergangsmässig hier. Bestanden. Ah, schau, jetzt kann man endlich wieder wechseln. Gäbe es noch eine Randale da hier? Friend and Tricks. Gibt auf jeden Fall noch zu tun. Jetzt sind wir wieder in Santos. Gehen wir mal zum Franklin schauen. Was der so am tun ist. Ein bisschen Karre am Putzen, nicht schlecht. Nicht schlecht. So. Nein. Mal die eins abspeichern. So.
Homie, don't get mixed up in that shit.
Ui.
I've been banging the
Lester, what's up?
The jewels have been fenced, and Michael's angry Mexican friend has been compensated for the house, so I'm transferring your cut of the jewel store job. Good work.
All right, cool, man. Good working with you.
Ja, Geld. Endlich. Was haben wir mit ihm für Waffen? Wir können noch schnell Waffen kaufen. Oh, und den würde ich Karre auftun. Haha. Das mögen wir uns auch nicht leisten. Hallo? Auch nicht. Wo sind wir jetzt? Da. Ja, gehen wir doch mal. Auf die Seite da. Ich glaube, ich habe jetzt eine Idee, was das ich machen will. Als nächstes Let's Play. Zwar nicht Dying Light, sondern ganz einfach das Erweiterungs-DLC von Dying Light. Und zwar Dying Light The Following. Ganz einfach. Das ist eine gute Idee. Weil Dying Light selber, das geht so elend lang, dass man das Sein stören hat. Flugschule ist noch verfügbar, geil. Aber zuerst wollte ich ein paar Knarren noch kaufen.
Here's what I like to see. A young man with an interest in the Second Amendment.
Kann man Gang brauchen. Kann man auch Gang brauchen. Taser, geil. Hat er schon. Ja, gut. Karabinerli.
That's a real pretty gun.
Ja. Nicht schlecht. Halten wir doch gerade so bei. Irgendeine Waffe mit einem Schalldämpfer sicher. Ja. Ja, merci vielmals. He. Super Sache, es hat auch ein bisschen Waffen.
What a lovely fucking couple.
Dann machen wir noch schnell den Karrenzweg und dann ist dann die Folge auch schon wieder durch. Da. So. Und zwar, ich glaube, so viele Tuning-Möglichkeiten haben wir eben noch gar nicht.
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you? All patched up.
Panzerung, Bremsen auf, Stoßstange. Ja, nicht übertreiben.
That'll boost the torque.
Ja. Gefällt mir so. Da, also er ist alles. Gefällt mir so, der Karre ist nicht schlecht. Komisch, dass es ein V8 Turbo ist irgendwie. Dem hat jetzt eher einen Kompressor drauf da, aber ist auch nicht. Ja, ja. Einmal, Jungs und Mädels, haben gesagt, das wäre es gewesen in dieser Folge. Und dann sehen wir uns das nächste Mal wieder. Nächstes Mal, was habe ich denn da Hübsches gesehen? Den nehme ich. Den nehme ich. Ich finde die so hure geil, die Polizeibuffalos, die sich schon geile Autos. Ja, Item, ich fahre jetzt so schnell den Schmier davon. Oh ja, wie gesagt, wünsche euch einen schönen Tag, bis zum nächsten Mal und hallo.